The Neuropsychology for New Business workshop is designed for solopreneurs like you. You will learn how to get excited clients to knock on your door instead of having to chase them. Over 90% of business owners like you have these same problems. Creating awareness requires expensive spending on social media ads. You don't know how to create powerful marketing taglines that will attract clients to you. And many don't have a real plan to launch their coaching practice or business. Our hands-on workshop is designed by an award-winning mentor and entrepreneur to get you started, and you will be guided by Asian entrepreneurs who know your market. During this workshop, you will define and test your unique value proposition that automatically attracts clients to you. You learn to use powerful neuroscience and psychology to effectively but ethically persuade your clients to say yes. And you will work away with a 14-day plan to finally launch your practice or business. Learn the secrets of neuroscience and psychology that will finally unlock your ability to attract and sell to clients who want you. Go to think.com.sg for more details. Be curious, be brave, be prepared to color outside the box to find your success. See you at think.com.sg.